Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And I'm your host P Fire, aka EP, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bear Creps. You already know how we do it. I'm gonna drop it on the table and we're gonna get into it. Let's do it. And as we say, drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. All right, guys, should we get into it? You see what the box is. You see them 3 stripes there, so you can guess what this is. Have a little cheeky look. You see it right there. Give you a little toilage of the box, you know what I'm saying? You see the end Adidas demarcation right there. All right, guys, let's get into it. You know how we do. You're going to take it out. Left shoe, right shoe. Drop them here. Put them here. And let's get into it, my beautiful people. So, my beautiful people, we have here today a pair of End times Adidas Berlins. Let's make sure we're getting that in. End times Adidas Berlin. Alright, let's get into it, guys. As usual, we're going to start on the right foot. So Adidas Berlin, a shoe that came out in the 1970s, one of the first in the City series, which would make sense because obviously Adidas is a German brand, so Berlin would make sense that it was one of the first in the City series. Alright, guys, let's start with the crop circle right there. You see what's going on. They've been in our field. Let me just give you a little close up right there. You got some nice demarcation right there for your crop circle when you're leaving that printage in the old field. Don't get caught because they'll notice you. Super nice. Now your midsole is a off-white, or shall we say cream coloration right there, which matches the laces which they've inserted into the actual shoe, not the additional pair. So yeah, really nice. Now you have this really, I don't know if you can see, but it's super buttery. This super buttery white, cocaine white upper right there. Super soft. The leather is really nice. I'm going to test it out and see if it's better than the Yabisha, the Ibifas that just dropped on the Special drop recently. I'm going to check that out because this is a really nice, really nice leather. Do you know what I'm saying? But that's a nice leather as well, you know, and, you know, considering the price point and whatnot, you know, you might think it's better off to get that, but you know. All right, I waffle a bit, guys. Really nice leather, super nice, white. You've got the 3 stripes right there. You've got some sort of, I guess, it's a leather as well, but it has a little bit of sheen on the 3 stripes, as you can see. Right there you have Berlin demarcated in that gold sort of, what do we call it, gold lettering, shall we say. I don't know how they've put it, but it's an applique. They've applied it on, you know what I mean? Berlin in that gold applique right there. Of course, you see the lace bed right there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes on each side, and you see there's the laces right there. You have this beautifully soft, and the leather on this tongue is beautiful. And what also makes this tongue really nice is the padding. It's a nice padded tongue, you see, and it's got that sort of exposed part there, kind of like your off-whites. If you know anything about off-white, we're talking Nike Adidas shoe, but that's fine. Very interesting. So it's got that sort of unfinished bit right there, but this tongue is super. The leather is really beautiful. I can't even front. The leather is outstanding. I'm trying to think if it's as nice as the CP. It is as nice as the CP, if not a little bit nicer. I'm not too sure. I'll have to change when I've got them in hand. I'm just giving you a circle. It's a white shoe, so there's not much we can do, you know. Give you the little toilage. Let's have a look at the secondary shoe because there's slight differences, as you would have noticed. Okay, so if we look at the heel bed right there, you see on one side, and that is the right hand side. The right hand side has End again in that gold foil demarcation right there, and then of course on the other you have 001 of 500. There were 500 pairs of these made, so that's why the 001 of 500. Now they've not put an individual number, it's just letting you know that this is 1 of 500, so no individual numbers. Okay, now if we look at the insole, insole is very nice. Once again, you have that gold foiling right there with the End and the Adidas tray foil right there. Really nice shoe, guys. I'm telling you, the leather is super buttery. It comes with this extra pair of laces, which it's not even white. It's got like some sort of bluey green tint. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but let's have a little look. It's got some sort of tint to it. Can you see? It's not pure cocaine white, but yeah, you got that extra spare pair of laces, which is all good and good in what it's good for. But yeah, really nice, guys. These I picked up from the N store. I never win a raffle, as you know, so I went up there this morning. You know, as luck would have it, not as luck would have it, I went down the day before just to find out if they would have them. They said they'd have a few pairs, first come first serve, so I went down there. Yeah, managed to pick up a pair, which was good. They still had a few pairs, but by the time I was leaving, you know, the resellers were out and about, so you know, unfortunately they're probably all gone now. But yeah, really nice pair, dope quality. Inside there you have that nice leather here again, just on that heel bed. It's just a really simple plain white shoe, but very nice. Okay guys, that was really it, the Adidas times End Berlin. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts, and yeah, of course I will please leave your comments down below. This has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. I've been your host Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P is for premium leather, and this has been Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end, guys. Be well, stay dope, and I'm gonna catch you. Peace.